स्टडी IQ में आपका स्वागत है। आज लर्निंग इंग्लिश इन लेस देन 10 मिनट्स में हम देखेंगे वेज टू मेक एन अपॉलॉजी। अपॉलॉजी थोड़ा फॉर्मल सॉरी हो जाता है जब आप अपनी गलती के लिए माफ़ी मांग रहे हैं, वो भी एक फॉर्मल सेटअप में, तो हम लोग अपॉलॉजी के थ्रू उसे डिनोट करते हैं, हम माफ़ी मांगते हैं एक फॉर्मल सेटअप में। तो किन किन प्रकार से, किस किस तरीके से, व्हाट आर द वेरियस वेज थ्रू विच वी कैन मेक एन अपॉलॉजी। लेट्स जस्ट लुक एट सम सिंपल वेज। Excuse me for, so excuse me for जो गलती है आप उसे लिख सकते हैं excuse me for this blunder, excuse me for, that's one phrase that you could use. I apologize for, I apologize for this blunderous error, or I apologize for the mistake committed by me. I apologize for. I beg your pardon, I beg your pardon, pardon, सॉरी। ये तीन तरीके भी हैं जिसके थ्रू आप अपॉलॉजी कर सकते हैं, किसी को अपॉलोजाइज कर सकते हैं। यू कैन मेक एन अपॉलॉजी। आई डू अपॉलोजाइज फॉर, I do apologize for. I do apologize for coming late. I do apologize for coming late. I must apologize for. I must. मुझे definitely apologize करना चाहिए. I must apologize for the delay in submission of the assignment. I must apologize for. I shouldn't have said that. Don't be mad at me. मुझे ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था. I shouldn't have said that. Don't be mad at me. आप मुझ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से से पागल मत होइए. I know, I regret. I shouldn't have said that. Don't be mad at me. I shouldn't have disturbed you now. I shouldn't have disturbed you now. I was wrong. Can you please forgive me? I was wrong. I accept that I was wrong. Could you please forgive me? I was wrong. I accept I was wrong. Could you please forgive me? I'd like to apologize. I'd like to apologize for. I'd like to apologize for. I'd like to apologize for missing this crucial event. I'd like to apologize for. I'm terribly, I'm so sorry. I'm terribly, I'm so sorry for this blunder. I would not commit it again, or I won't do it again. I simply won't do it again. I swear on myself, I won't do it again. You can avoid swearing, of course. I'm terribly, really, or so sorry for this mistake. I won't do it again. I'm afraid, I'm really sorry for this blunder. I'm afraid. आप simply कह सकते हैं I'm afraid. I'd like to apologize for my work yesterday. I'd like to apologize for. So जिस भी चीज़ के लिए आप apology मांग रहे हैं उसे आप mention कर सकते हैं I'm ashamed of my behavior yesterday. Please forgive me. I'm thoroughly ashamed of. I'm so sorry for the negligence at my end. I'm so sorry for. I'm terribly sorry for hurting your sentiments. I'm terribly sorry for. It's my fault. ये मेरी गलती है. It's my fault. I'm really sorry. It's my fault. I'm really sorry. My apologies for missing this crucial meeting again. My apologies for not being with you in the hour of distress. My apologies for. Pardon me for being so rude. मैं इतनी ज़्यादा rude थी. Pardon me. So please pardon me for being so rude. Please accept my apology for the negligence. Please accept my apology for. जो भी आपने गलती करी है उसे आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. Please accept my apologies for. Please excuse my indecency. Please excuse my conduct. Please excuse my negligence. So यहाँ पर please excuse the blunder that you've committed. Please forgive me for not completing the work on time. So यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने कुछ तरीके देखे which are important and simple and you should know these, क्योंकि अक्सर हमें माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ती है particularly formal setup में. So you should know the various ways to make an apology, to apologize, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही important step है और दूसरे को भी लगेगा कि at least you're accepting your mistake and then only can you improve it. आप comment section में mention कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा तरीका आप यूज़ करेंगे. I hope कभी आपको ज़रूरत ना पड़े, but कौन सा तरीका आप यूज़ करेंगे to make an apology in the formal setup. आप मुझसे Instagram पे नीरजा रहेजा के नाम से जुड़ सकते हैं and in case of any doubts you can mention that in the comment section.